In this video, I'll show you how to host a panel discussion on Livestorm, a powerful platform that allows you to engage with your audience in real time. Whether you're hosting a webinar or a panel, Livestorm makes it easy to manage your event, collaborate with speakers, and deliver a seamless experience for your viewers. Stick around and I'll reveal how to leverage Livestorm's features to run a successful panel discussion and boost engagement. Plus, we've got an exclusive bonus that lets you try Livestorm for free through the link in the description. First, once you're logged into Livestorm, you'll want to create an event. Click on Create an Event and select Webinar or Panel Discussion depending on your focus. Livestorm lets you customize the event's date, time, and even the branding to make sure it fits your needs. This flexibility is key when you're coordinating multiple speakers and managing logistics. Next, it's time to set up the panel. Livestorm allows you to invite panelists directly by email. When they accept the invitation, they'll be added to the event and can join in as moderators or panelists. As the host, you can assign roles to each panelist. Make sure each participant has a proper understanding of their role, whether it's speaking, moderating, or managing chat. Now, let's talk about preparation. Livestorm has a built-in rehearsal room, which is a lifesaver when coordinating multiple speakers. Before the live event, have your panelists join the rehearsal room to test their microphones, cameras, and get familiar with the platform's interface. You'll also want to review the format of your panel discussion to ensure smooth transitions between speakers. During the panel discussion, you can use Livestorm's interactive features to keep the audience engaged. The Q&A function lets viewers submit questions, which you can choose to answer live. You can also moderate questions, allowing you to select the most relevant ones for the panelists. Additionally, using Livestorm's chat feature, you can interact with the audience in real time, keeping the conversation going while the panelists focus on delivering valuable insights. Another great Livestorm feature is the ability to share your screen, presentations, and documents seamlessly. If you have slides or other visual aids, Livestorm makes it easy to share these with your audience without interrupting the flow of the discussion. Just click on Share Screen to get started. As the panel concludes, Livestorm allows you to thank your panelists and audience while promoting any calls to action or next steps, such as upcoming events or special offers. You can even record the session to share it later with your audience or for marketing purposes. And here's the best part. You can try Livestorm for free. The exclusive link in the description gives you access to a free trial of Livestorm, so you can test out these features without committing to a paid plan. This is a great opportunity to see firsthand how the platform works and how it can help you manage your panel discussion and increase engagement. To wrap up, Livestorm is an excellent tool for hosting a panel discussion with ease. Its features like customizable invitations, the rehearsal room, interactive Q&A, and seamless screen sharing make it an ideal choice for any event. Plus, with the exclusive free trial linked below, you can start hosting your own professional panel discussions today. Don't miss out.